So you find yourself not able to find Clorox wipes in the stores, we're going to be doing it at home, and we're going to teach you guys how to do it right now.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kilowatt. We wanted to share an additional tip that's going to help all the moms and dads and families and singles everywhere you go to stay safe. We're going to create these nice little
Clorox wipes.
So, what are some of the ingredients that we're going to use today?
That's a great question, Alex.
Because I ask great questions.
So the ingredients we're going to be using today are soap, warm water we're going to be using today, Clorox, bleach, some essential oils, a container. This container could be many different kinds of container if you like, whatever fits your fancy. And then finally, we're going to have the paper towels.
Yes.
The first thing that we're going to do is cut the paper to fit our container, right? So we measure what the paper size is. We see one around here.
That's why I got you a Sharpie.
Good call, Alex. Thank you for the Sharpie. We appreciate it. So you get your, sharp serrated knife if you want, and just cut right through. Try to get a sharp knife so you can avoid all of these ridges and stuff.
That is a very sharp knife. You just carve while cutting things.
Unfortunately, Alex doesn't have a better knife than this, but we're gonna deal with this for now.
So one of the main ingredients that you're gonna need is Clorox. But some of you might say, oh, I'm freaking out. I don't want to use Clorox. The alternative is to use rubbing alcohol. Once again, it has to be 70% or more. So the ratio will differ because we're going to need a lot more alcohol than Clorox. So we're going to start first by measuring 3 tablespoons of Clorox. So now we're going to add a cup of hot water, which is 8 ounces. Okay, next, we're gonna add a few drops of dish soap.
I'll give it a little bit of aroma and kind of keep it moist together. And finally, we're gonna add a couple of drops of your favorite scented oils.
That one is like sea breeze flavor.
Now, we mix. Make sure you mix it really well. And, that's a nice scent. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our container and we're gonna open it up. So you're gonna put your paper towel inside your container, okay? It's gonna fit something like this, right? And then what you wanna do is you want to pour the solution and you wanna wet it, and you wanna do it in steps. You wanna let it absorb a little bit better and give it a few minutes, and then you pour a little more. As you can see how it's actually smoking a little bit. It's coming up, it's absorbing. All right, okay. So we pour all the content in there, and what you want to do is you want to cover it, turn it around a little bit backwards so that all the paper absorb all the juices. So it actually feels a little warm. Yeah. So you leave it out there for 10 minutes. We're going to wait 10 minutes and we'll be right back. So after 10 minutes have passed, we're back. The final step that we have to do now is we have to remove the inside of the paper towel. So you open up your container, and all you got to do is go around. Fairly simple. Once it's nice and wet, it comes up really easy. All you have to do is take it right out. Just make sure that you take it out after you put the solution so that it comes out this easy. So finally, you get your paper towel from inside and you kind of slide it up. You put in your cover on your container.
Can I have a Clorox wipe, please?
Oh, sure, you may.
Thank you.
Here you go. I'll actually get one myself. Take it out.
You're going to see what it smells like. It smells pretty good.
And then you have your beautiful, nicely homemade done Clorox wipes where you can actually clean surfaces, where you eat,
doorknobs,
stuff where you cook, and
those nasty shopping carts.
Make sure you label your wipes so you know what they are, so that obviously you keep it away from children and things like that. So you can make this for a couple of bucks, a couple of drops of Clorox wipes, napkins. There you go. And you can label it just like that. Team Kilowatt Clorox wipes. Boom. All right, guys, this was a simple video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and
hit the notification bell button so you do not miss any of our videos. So guys, thank you for watching. Remember, sharing is caring, so share this video.
Team Kilowatt.